Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome back to our channel where we bring the latest and greatest in home decor right to your screen. Today we are thrilled to present our newest video, the 50 most popular small living rooms so far in 2024. If you've been searching for inspiration to transform your cozy corner into a stylish sanctuary, look no further. We've scoured the globe to bring you a curated collection of the most beloved small living room designs that have captured hearts and imagination this year. From minimalist marvels to eclectic enclaves, each space we're about to showcase is a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of homeowners and designers alike. These living rooms are not just about making the most of limited space. They are about creating an atmosphere that reflects personality, warmth, and comfort. So grab a comfy seat, hit the like button, and subscribe if you haven't already, because you are about to embark on a visual journey that will leave you brimming with ideas and ready to tackle your own living room project. Let's dive in and discover the magic of small living design together. Remember, a small space is only the beginning of a big adventure in design. Let's make your living room a place where every inch tells a story. We are excited to present our latest YouTube video, which showcases our 50 fabulous small living rooms ideas for 2024. This video is meticulously curated to inspire and provide practical design solutions for those navigating the challenges of compact living spaces. As the trend of small living room design continues to grow, our video serves as a comprehensive guide to the most popular and innovative ideas that can transform your interiors. The purpose of this video is to offer a diverse array of design concepts that cater to various aesthetic preferences and functional needs. Whether you are looking to maximize space, introduce a new color palette, or incorporate multifunctional furniture, our video provides actionable insights and creative inspiration. Each feature's design is carefully selected to highlight current trends and timeless styles, ensuring that you find the perfect look for your small living room. Small living room designs have gained significant popularity in recent years, driven by the increasing urbanization and the desire for more efficient use of space. Our video not only celebrates this trend but also addresses the common challenges associated with small living areas, from clever storage solutions to visually expanding techniques. The showcased ideas are both stylish and practical. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to update their interiors with the latest trends in small living room design. By turning in, you will discover innovative ways to make the most of your space without compromising on style or comfort. Join us on this visual journey and get ready to transform your small living room into a chic and functional heaven. So, watch this video until the end. You won't regret it. As the interior design industry evolves, small living rooms are increasingly becoming a focal point for innovative and stylish solutions. Several emerging trends are shaping the way people decorate and furnish their compact spaces. One of the most prominent trends is the shift toward minimalist design. This approach emphasizes its simplicity and functionality with a focus on clean lines, neutral colors, and clutter-free environments. Minimalist design not only maximizes space but also creates a serene and inviting atmosphere, making small living rooms appear larger and more open. The use of natural materials is also gaining traction in small living room design. Materials such as wood, stone, and natural fibers bring warmth and textures to a space, creating a more inviting and comfortable environment. Additionally, incorporating plants and greenery not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also improves air quality and promotes a sense of well-being. This trend reflects a growing awareness of sustainability and the desire to create harmonious living spaces that connect with nature. The importance of combining functionality with aesthetics in small living room designs cannot be overstated. Homeowners are increasingly seeking solutions that not only look good but also enhance their quality of life. By embracing minimalist design, multifunctional furniture, and natural materials, they can create small living rooms that are both beautiful and practical. These trends are transforming small spaces into stylish and efficient heavens, reflecting the evolving needs and preferences of modern living. The trendy color palettes for small living rooms are focused on creating a harmonious balance between aesthetics and functionality. Earthy tones, soft pastels, and bold accents are popular, each bringing unique attributes to compact spaces. These carefully selected hues not only enhance the visual appeal but also contribute to the overall ambience of small living rooms. Earthy tones such as terracotta, sage, green, and warm beige are making a significant impact. These colors evoke a sense of nature and tranquility, which can make a small living room feel cozy and inviting. They seamlessly blend with natural materials like wood and stone, creating a cohesive look that promotes relaxation and comfort. Soft pastels, including hues like mint green, blush pink, and lavender, are also gaining popularity. These colors are perfect for small living rooms as they reflect light and create an airy, spacious feel. Pastels can be mixed with neutral shades to keep the look sophisticated and avoid overwhelming the space. The subtlety of this color provides a serene backdrop that can be easily complemented by various decor styles. For those who prefer a more dynamic approach, bold accents are an excellent choice. Colors such as deep navy, emerald green, and mustard yellow can be used strategically to add depth and character to a small living room. Bold accents are best applied through furniture pieces, artwork, or accent walls, ensuring that they draw attention without dominating the entire space. When choosing the right colors for a small living room, consider the amount of natural light the space receives. Lighter shades are generally better For rooms with limited light, as they can help to brighten the area. Conversely, darker tones can add warmth and depth to well-lit spaces. Additionally, incorporating a combination of textures and finishes can enhance the visual interest and depth, making the room feel more expansive. Ultimately, the key to selecting the perfect color palette lies in understanding how different hues interact with the space and the overall mood you wish to create. By thoughtfully choosing and combining colors, you can transform a small living room into a stylish and comfortable heaven. Optimizing furniture placement in a small living room can significantly enhance its functionality and aesthetic appeal. One effective technique is the concept of floating furniture. Instead of pushing all pieces against the wall, floating furniture involves placing key items such as sofa or armchair away from the walls. This method can create a more intimate and conventional sitting as well as the illusion of more space. For instance, in one of the showcase small living rooms, the love seat was strategically floated in the center with a sleek coffee table anchoring the arrangement, resulting in a dynamic yet balanced layout. Another critical approach is utilizing corners effectively. Often corners are overlooked and underutilized, yet they can provide valuable real estate for furniture placement. Placing a corner shelf or a compact sectional sofa can maximize space and add a cozy nook for relaxation. In the features video, a corner was ingeniously transformed into a reading area with a stylish corner chair and a floor lamp, demonstrating how corners can be capitalized for both function and charm. Creating defined zones within a small living room helps in segregating different activities without overwhelming the space. For example, defining a sitting area with a rug or placing a console table behind the sofa to delineate a workspace can make the room multifunctional. One small living room in the video effectively used a room divider to create a mini home office, showcasing how zoning can be implemented seamlessly. Proper furniture arrangement not only improves the visual flow but also enhances the overall usability of the space by floating furniture, making smart use of corners, and creating defined zones. Small living rooms can be transformed into versatile and inviting areas. These techniques, as illustrated in the popular YouTube showcase, offer practical and stylish solutions for making the most of limited square footage. When it comes to transforming a small living room, the right decorative elements can make all the difference. Wall art, mirrors, lighting, and indoor plants are key components that significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of a compact space. Strategically placing these elements can create a stylish and cohesive look, optimizing both function and beauty. Wall art serves as a focal point and can inject personality into the room. Opt for pieces that resonate with your style and complement the room's color palette. Avoid overcrowding the walls. Instead, choose a few standout pieces that draw the eye without overwhelming the space. For an added touch, consider using floating shelves to display smaller art objects or framed photos. Mirrors are an excellent tool for making a small living room feel larger and more open. Placing a large mirror opposite a window can reflect natural light, brightening the room and creating an illusion of depth. Alternatively, a series of smaller mirrors arranged artistically on a wall can also achieve a similar effect. Lighting is crucial in setting the mood and enhancing the overall ambience of a small living room. Layered lighting, which include a combination of overhead fixtures, floor lamps, and table lamps, allows for flexibility and ensures that the room is well lit at all times. Consider using dimmable lights to adjust the brightness according to the occasion. Indoor plants bring a touch of nature indoors, softening the room's edges and adding a refreshing element. Choose plants that thrive in a low light condition if your living room lacks ample natural light. Small potted plants on shelves, hanging planter, or a tall, slender plant in a corner can make the space feel more inviting and lovely. And there you have it, friends, the 50 most popular small living room designs that are making a big impact in 2024. We hope this video has sparked a flame of creativity and give you a wealth of ideas to bring into your own space. Remember, every little nook and cranny in your home holds the potential for greatness. With the right design, even the smallest living room can become a hub of comfort, style, and life's precious moments. Before you go, we'd love to hear from you. Which design was your favorite? Do you have any space-saving tips or tricks you swear by? Share your thoughts in the comment below. We are always excited to connect and learn from our amazing community. If you enjoyed this journey through cozy and chic living spaces, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more interior design inspiration. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and remember, your home is a canvas and you are the artist. Let's paint a masterpiece one small room at a time. Until next time, keep designing and stay inspired.